Welcome to Tandendo. How to use throughout heaven and earth. I alone am the honored one.
No. I'm just I'm not really connected, so I'm just pushing your hand on.
I think you're going down, you know. You don't. So do the regular candle, you know. Yeah. So yeah. So so after all, you know. After all, candle kamai works, you know.
Only I think you're better. You just were standing there. You did the connection part. I still can't do that part. Yeah, like you're just standing there.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That one I don't know how I did that.
Yeah.
I did turn my legs in a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you still did it a lot better than I did.
Oh yeah.
I think I still I had to turn my legs in and turn this in. I think you didn't do all that. So you just did it with the connection better. I don't know.
If you try to do something, you know, it doesn't work. So going here, you know, it doesn't work actually. But you see, you just connected and.
That's the part. I don't know how to do that. So you just that. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe that time? Is it different? Okay. No, now I'm trying to push. Okay.
Instead of going, so if I going
Pushing
down,
legs,
you know,
yeah.
it doesn't work. So it's more like going up, you know.
Oh! Yeah. Do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I did. That time, that made sense.
Yeah.
I go up and just
Yeah.
about that part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That worked. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no, I didn't. Now I was thinking about pushing down. Okay.
No, you try to push
now
down.
I'm pushing down. So.
No, you try to push down. So try to go up. Yeah.
Okay.
No, try to push
I'm
down.
Pushing.
No.
Oh, no, I'm pushing down. Okay.
It went up. Do you know that when the Buddha was born, he said Tenjo Tenga Yuga Doksonizo, I don't know in English, but you know, going up, you know, he pointed out up and down like this, going like this.
Go like that.
Whatever, you know.
Okay.
Do you know what he said in English? I don't know.
I used to know.
Oh,
yeah.
but then you know about, you know, what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Okay, I will look it up.
Yeah. Yeah, so going up like
That's really interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
And point your Hands
Okay.
up. Yeah. Yeah.
That changes things, yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button if you haven't, and subscribe this channel if you haven't.